Hello everyone. So this is another outfit of the day. We are here after the blizzard. Okay, the blizzard started Sunday at 9 p.m. and didn't finish until Monday 5 p.m. Okay, continuously. Wind 40 miles an hour to 55. That's right, 40 to 55 winds, miles an hour. So I didn't go out that day except for to put salt on the ground and then go right back into my house. But this is the next day. This is after the storm. When it's a little bit calm, it went up to 30 degrees, 33 degrees, and it's supposed to go and be 40 degrees tomorrow. Just so you know, I'm a night worker. Okay? So this is my outfit that I'm wearing, that I wore to work. Start from the top. This is a different animal print hat. The other one had a white background. This one has a beige background. Okay, so now the shirt. This shirt I got from Shein. It has fleece lining, fleece lining, fleece in the back. So this shirt kind of doubles up as a sweater. It's great for those of us who are menopausal because you don't want to be too hot. You know what I mean? So this shirt for me is great. Got this from Shein. This jacket, this is an old jacket. Oh, this is an old jacket. I got this from Newport News. This is suede. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, this is suede, right? And it has pockets on both sides. Both sides has pockets. All right, this was from Newport News. This jacket, guys, it's about 20 or more years old. Yeah, it is. Okay, so now the belt. The belt, I got this from Temu. It came like 6 in a pack. Well, really wasn't expensive at all. And then on top of that, I waited until they have free gifts. So this, I believe, was one of the free gifts. All right. The pants. Pants are also about 20 years old. Also from Newport News. The pants had a jacket with it. The jacket is too small. I had to give it away. The pants at the time I could still fit. Now, I'm not really fitting into it as good as I should. And I'll show you why if I can. I have a button extender. Okay? Because it's hard to breathe where the button really normally is. Okay? I'm not sure if I can. Yeah. See, this is the original button. This is the new button. I got the extenders from Temu. So what it is that the extender has a button that's attached to this, I don't know what you call it, band or whatever. You wrap the band around the button, the original button, and you put the new button inside of your pants, and that allows you to keep your pants longer than you should. Because I really should give these pants away, but I won't because I like them. These pants are lined, these pants are suede. So I want to lose weight. I plan on losing weight. I am losing weight, just not as fast as I would like to, because I went from 185 and now I'm 175. Okay, so there you go. I am losing it, but it's not enough. I still have more to go. I'd like to get down to 150, but honestly, I don't even need to be 150 to fit in this. If I can get down to 170, 165, I'm good. I'll fit in this comfortably. The pants, that is. But until then, these extenders are wonderful. I'm comfortable, very comfortable right now. Easy to take off, use the bathroom, and do what you got to do. All right. And then see, I have the belt. The belt hides it even more so that nobody knows that I'm wearing a button extender on my pants and that my pants in the waist is too tight the way it regularly is. So, yeah. And then you can see, like, I still have a lot of room elsewhere. It's just that it's just the waist part. You see, I got this right here. Gotta go. When it's going, I don't know. And then I have my boots, all leather. I forgot where I bought them. I know I did. I bought it at a store downtown, near where immigration is, near where their government buildings are. And yeah, it is definitely slip resistant. This is for the snow. It got messed up because I had to climb over some snow in order to get to my job. Okay, and then also to get home. It's like climbing Mount Kilimanjaro. They said it was 17 inches, but I think we got more than 17 inches of snow. Okay, and we got a lot of it. Yeah, so yeah, the boots gives you a little bit of height. You know, it's a small height on the boots. And yes, you've seen these boots before, actually. Buckles, I had them with another outfit. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. It's gonna rain tomorrow, so that's what the hat is for. The coat, I wore the same coat in another video, the beige one with the hood. So I'm gonna put that on, and I believe I do have a umbrella in my locker at work. But if I don't, I'm gonna be okay because I have the hat and then I have the hood. Plus I have gloves. So yeah, this is the outfit of the day. This is what I'm rocking. Hope you like it. Hope it inspires you, particularly those of you who will be traveling here either this month, this year, or another year when we have winter, so that you know what to expect and you know what you need to pack. That's why I'm doing these particular videos, okay? All right. And for those of you who probably want to know a little bit more, you could say I'm a size 14. Sometimes I'm a size 12. It really depends on who makes what. When it comes to Shein and Temu, I tend to be an extra large. However, sometimes when they say Asian sizes, then I'm an extra large. However, guess what? In America, if I go to the store, I'm just a large, and sometimes I'm actually a medium. So it really depends on who is making the clothes and what the cut is, what the waist is. You know, all of those things determine what size clothes I'm actually going to be wearing. Yeah. See, I look better when I suck it in, right? And I've been doing that because they say it's good. It's like a way to sort of like crunch your stomach when you can't get down and do exercises right away. So you see, yeah, you see, it looks better. But yeah, this is how it really looks. Okay. All right. Until next time. Bye.